In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to get real-time market data in TradingView. So the first step is to go to the watch list in the right section here. Now, what we're gonna have to do is simply edit our watch list. So if we go here, we can basically upload a list or create a new list, or we can simply clear this current list, and then we just have to add, so let me go back here. So we just have to add symbols. So we're gonna have to either add stocks, funds, futures, etc. We can also choose the markets from countries. So let's say USA. So we can add Tesla, Nvidia, etc. Now here, as you can see, if we right click on it, basically we'll be able to see the data. Now, there is a 15 minutes delay on TradingView, but if you upgrade your plan to a premium one, you'll be able to get real-time data. So basically, that's all you have to do in order to get data from TradingView. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.